love and the same love. 50 US, 50 of all in hand, USA, so you say I got America.
You never know.
You never know.
The dogs, I'm going to Canada. So you never know, don't, count anything out. Everything is possible.
Yeah. So what's going on, my viewers? Your expedition has begun, and you see improvement more and more. Not nice. Yeah, I'm going well.
Well, you see, the work with me I do, I not really say the work with me I do, but you see in life, we have to try to do something good. And you see me as a man, you get caught up in a dirty politics between JLP and PMP and mash up the two countries. Because the two biggest terrorist organizations, nobody can tell me nothing about that because I know these politicians and them mash up church now. You understand? So, you see, me caught up with it when I hate it, when I young and get gunshot and me too high. You see, I mean, the best thing I want to be in life. The best thing I want to be in life, I change my profile right over.
Kino from the USA. This is for you from Scally and Zeke.
So thank you, Scally, and thank you, Zeke, very, very much. With all due respect. You hear that? Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Dream team, one team, dream team, one team, it's the only real team, so blessing love to all, blessing love to all, and as you can see, the breaking news, I already mentioned it on the live, on the single Wednesday, so I know I'm putting on over, I get to see it on that good news and bad news, so the bad news is there won't be no single Wednesday for now for the next couple of weeks, because I'm going on a USA tour, so it goes already. I'm going to be on the other side meeting the extended family same way, so it's like a meet and greet same way, and who could it be more than the Almighty, blessed. Who could it be more than the Almighty, sending this blessing? So, I will be in the USA. So it's like a USA tour, so we give thanks to the Almighty. So I will be on the other side, looking to visit each and every one of them, while I'm there. So, everything to remain the same. While I'm there, I'm going to still be vlogging, showing the faces to the names them, showing the faces to the names them, who've been through the program, so we can meet and greet because all of us are family. So, keeping the family link same here, so I'll be there definitely in the USA. I understand, meet and greet our extended family, and so we cannot stop thank the Almighty. Thank him so much for making this blessing possible, because only him alone. Understand, I'm saying, Almighty, so once you do good, the good shall be done. So I cannot complain at all in life, I will accept what is, so thank you so much, thank you so much, so Almighty, it's a blessing, it's a blessing, it's a blessing. Our extended family, so I'm looking forward to seeing you soon over there on food side, So finally now I'm going to come at food. Thank you so much for the blessing and the prayers, because it do work, thank you for continuing this journey, Thank you so much. So I will be on the side here, definitely, with our extended family, meet and greet. So say Oliver and Carla, so and same way, overcomers and everything go. You know, there's all on their knees, you know, all them on the whole team and everybody, you know, we definitely be meeting each other. Kev Lifestyle, people don't forget, yeah, please, Kev Lifestyle here and abroad. Remember, Kev is one of us. Kev is an extended family, you know, and remember, please go and subscribe to Kev Lifestyle here and abroad, you know. Yeah.
Oi, what you say?
Hi. How are you?
Cause I feel you.
Yes, yes, you. Yes. Not nice. Yes, hero. Not nice. I'll go on. See how the tally thing got in there already. Jeez! Jeez! I gone in already. Up! So I go on all my viewers. Your expedition has begun. And you see improvement more and more. Not nice. Yeah, I'm going well. I'm going well.
Let's say that you first.
Yeah. Yes, hero, when I rise a good look. So how much more black himself cover up the whole of yourself? Yeah man, sure. No stopping, go and press gas. Alright, Ripa?
Yeah man, go on good man.
Yeah.
Go on.
Go and press gas. Yeah man, him know for do him thing man. I'm solid man. I'm solid man. Not nice, but the right thing.
Sorry, that's like the waist man.
Yeah. Black off. You're well seasoned now. Come on side. And one that in there you're good now, you know.
Yeah man, nah.
You have a kitchen spot already and everything. You need nothing more, you know.
Yeah.
You see me, you go in, you go in, and lock up. Yeah. So you see that viewers, our extended family, here I make it work. I will give thanks, you know, we give thanks for the journey. You know, everyone that give us strength to thank you so much as in the can say, even and Skylar, you know. Everybody have to live comfort. I'm a hero, you know. So the hero have to live good. You know, him save a life, you know, risk him life and save a life. So
yeah, deserve to forget the honor of goodness too, you know? Because a good youth.
A good youth. No lie about it. Yeah.
May become slow, but it's there.
It's there, see me own living hero. And I can say, Mother Teresa and all them I try, what should film one next, I know the thing goes so. We give thanks, you know. Make it work. Father God now make sure say you're a hero, them go down like that, you know.
Yeah.
You're mad, risking life, yeah, another life.
You have to stand firm.
Stand firm, man. And the only living one too.
Alright,
you see me? Yeah.
Them say all hero die.
Yeah, and the only living one.
God know why that one is still alive.
Why he's still alive.
Yeah, reason and purpose.
Of course. Down the gully, a wash way, you know, with a life on him hang on, not knowing what happen. You know. Enough man now do that in a Ripper?
No, the man not big that way there. I'm brave with like that.
Nah, do that, because Ripper, I don't know if you see my wash way now, joke on the gully.
I think twice. Just jump so.
Yeah, but I think.
You know? With a prayer to Father before I jump, but
yeah.
You
Nah,
maybe me that try other way still.
Yeah, try put something like for more lamp and that.
Thank the Lord for inspire hero for do that little quick jump there. Yeah. God carry him through.
Otherwise, you would have there today now, right now. Without a doubt, you would have there today. You see me, that's why it work with work. That's why I say your blessing will come through. You know, it might come slower, but it's getting there. You know, I will give thanks, see me. Alright? Cheers!
Thankful.
Yeah, man, I will give thankful, man, and that is it, man. Supposed to, you know?
But this one too.
I'm supposed to. You know, when you store them up, you know, we have one life to live, you know. There's one beat them.
in a one time gone by, you know. Hard to get a pair of shoes in a car. In a them time there, it's hard to find the side of them, you know. So, me give thanks, you know.
Yeah.
Go on, you understand?
Yeah, true.
No, go on, see. And me thank the
Extended
person.
family then.
Western country, me thank you very, very much. You know. Yeah. It's all good. Yeah, man.
We have to give thanks to the extended family who reach out to Bolo.
Yeah.
Bolo say my beat one pair a day.
Yeah.
You see me, and can't stop thanking you so much for what you do, because as I hear him say one time,
Yeah.
and all you could have find it, because especially in size, right?
Right.
And now because of you extended family will reach out to him, we thank you so much, you know, and really appreciate each and every one of them will reach out to him, you know. Seeing a ball of the man of your size 13, it's 13 to 14, so far every shoes they get fit, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, that is that. So now we have another pair of shoes here for you from Scally and Zeke, because Scally did here the other day, which is our guest, he was here the other day, so we have a pair of shoes here when him leave. Because we would have asked for you, but them say they gone to town the day when he was here. Yeah, so now we have a nice pair of size 13 here for you from Scally and Zeke, you know, from the USA. So this is for you from Scally and Zeke.
So thank you, Scally, and thank you, GC, very, very much. With all due respect. You hear that?
And that's Bowler, thank you so much, you know. This is another pair out to the collection. You know. Then one more again for another night. Show me there.
Alright.
Alright, so take care, Bowler. Go on do the right thing.
Yeah, man.
See it there. You don't want a bag or something?
Man, we can carry it. Yeah, if you have a bag. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we can get a bag for you.
Alright,
We'll get a bag for you.
Alright.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
I'm watching
Oh,
everything.
just like you be a trouble on a Wednesday.
And I think you're live later. I think so. Yeah, I'm more for drink. I don't think I'm not watching. This happened to baby. This is little you there on video.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, baby. Where you going?
Oh, this is for the
This is the
liquor. Mother Teresa, this is for you.
Thank you.
For your bathroom.
I was looking for the thing that you can turn off.
Oh.
When you have this now, the lever will pull up. This is just the top.
Okay.
What's that sweet David? Give me her now.
I probably look. This is it. I think that this one.
No, not
Another one.
No, this is for the top. This is for the face base. Face. They put it can be up on the top. But to turn off on the bottom part of the pipe. Yeah. But you pull it, yeah.
Oh.
So I don't want time just run so. I don't want to forget the audio.
Take a video tape.
My niece I could not get it here. I'll try the audio. Thanks.
And this is for the blind boy.
Yeah, this and it's a toothpaste and this side is some here eye.
Okay. Maybe this up here. Your husband. Well, the eye drops are coming. I'll be able to find that side. Prince. Yeah. Shima.
$50 is a discount. Whenever I'm in for my daughter, so she wants to here. Okay. My daughter's birthday too. Last one.
Okay.
The baby and the lady. The baby.
So this
No. That's why I wanted to rub this out.
Okay.
This is the money. $50 to the kid.
Okay.
What's his name?
Joe.
Joe.
Yeah. Okay, so it's a 341.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't see a car, that's why I can't read.
Come on, give me a hug.
That's why I don't want girls to do it, I want a hug too.
Yeah. You never come out here, you never go swap.
There's nobody in the hug. Next month I do. Right? This won't come back. Patrick, I just check you alone. Yeah. You have a shirt today. How are your girl there? Are you ready?
I should have eaten food. What she eat, bread? She bug juice and...
I fry food, man.
Really? Really?
I can't just again.
Are you niece?
My friend, baby, my friend to find.
How did them two, yeah? Well, she does see from yesterday.
That's my nephew. That's my nephew.
Oh, blessed family.
Marlon brother.
Okay. See there. Blessed love. So, see that, so, Max mommy is here. Max mommy. And the procedure already, Our face never want to be shown, so her face is not to be shown, because she don't want her face to be shown. So, the procedure is not the first, so we give thanks, she's here, passing through, it's a surprise visit, so we give thanks for the passing through, Max mommy. Big up yourself, Max, eternal love. I know Max mommy is someone on the outside looking in, baby screeching up. Baby has screeched up, the thing,
Mama proposed that they don't use the pull-ups. Yeah. These are the regular one.
Pumpers.
Kino. To the home.
Okay.
It's not like I carry a box. I don't carry food in box. I put it in barrel, so I will just grab it in.
So the eye can go to the home and they cook them for the kids them?
For the kids, yeah. And this is for the home.
What's that? For the home?
Yeah. Remember, let me see my reader now.
Oh, for the... Yeah. And that as well too?
Yeah, because the last time it was 2.
Yeah. Blessed family. Zimbabwe crew. Okay, cool now. More love. Yeah.
So when them come circle Raga, like you going?
Zimbabwe crew. Far and the whole crew. Cool now, man. Congo. Yeah. You just get your face now, Because me I look for you and I say, yo, what I know you, but I just remember say Brixton side. Cool now, man. Brixton side, man. Cool now, man, Congo. You know your thing, man, from Summer League.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I talk to him as well, man. I talk to him anyway, thing, man. Because I tell me say you don't hear, but I'm just a say,
Yeah, come forward and come check your body, but you never
Yeah.
Worship alone needs it.
Yeah.
I'm flagging we go forward and give worship them a
real piece of cooking.
Proper cook and bake and everything.
Come circle for Raga, you should go, man. You see him?
Cool, man. Like a day, man, so you can serve when you're ready, man.
There on the ground,
Yeah.
Should have said, should have want to drive for drop them off.
Yeah, man, no problem. You can go up there. Yeah, man.
So you can put them back then?
Yeah.
No, we want the pampas them?
Yeah.
We
And you take them. You
if you want, we can go up there.
Alright, let's go there.
No,
Let's
we
go
can
and
go.
see and know.
Don't try in a black house.
No. I can just drive us straight to the restaurant.
On the right, yeah.
Yes, sir. I know what. No, my own.
Oh, this not going back.
Yeah. Should I put it in first? No, that's a
That's a baby husband.
I'm not taking me on there. You on there? Yeah, we can walk with it and give me.
One of them.
Alright, man, she can't come from my what's it?
Pan in bed. Yeah, come pan in bed.
Anamina?
Anna, she I next.
No, not no. I tell you so the next one can't
Can't
come.
come.
Can give me up whatever, what's it?
Yeah. Can't come back on my bed with you. No, I alone with you.
Some help to edit because sometimes I tell you something. You feel like you don't want to sit down all day and watch it. I'm like, it's too short, no! I don't know if nobody don't tell you that.
Yeah, some of them always tell me to make it longer.
I don't understand, it's a lot of work for editing. Thank you for God. No, we're not all in the body, all but the spirit is still young.
Still young. Yeah, I show Bob Marley movie. Exodus.
Why you pull something? I mean, I use the road.
Max.
No, Mr. Buy a spring. Already done.
Go on. Prince.
Present it.
Kino is here.
And you got to kick off the girl off of the bed and you call the baby up on the bed. Give me a hug. I can't take our space, you know.
Yeah, you see, like that feeling?
The spirit, yeah. So you want to kick her baby? You can't say anything, are you afraid of baby?
Baby not there, you know. Baby not there, so you know, so you can't answer. Still not get your answer, so she can't sleep on the bed. Baby not there, you know.
Okay. You're smart, you know, get me a video. She will see it later.
You're not giving baby no phone.
Yeah, think about it.
Stick to baby. Tell me that my business.
Yes, yes. Can't move. She can't come on it.
Okay,
So what-
baby will share.
Yes, yes, she will share. Yes, yes.
Alright.
Alright.
I hope you can angle it for
So
me.
baby find out what I got.
Alright, we just kick you off of the bed and the throw we take it over.
You're not trouble though, you know. So you know this is the way they live, you know, and up this what I'm trying to set up.
Yeah, that's right.
As I can see the situation, you know. So princess, how is everything?
Alright, let me just pray.
Give thanks and praise. That's how we have to always, you know, give thanks to the Most High. Because we say that's what the faith say me. You never know what can happen, you know. And if someone here from the outside who show a lot of love, you know, them really see the condition and reach out what we see in person, same way, you know. And she also bring her back with some stuff for the Prince as well too, you know. So Prince right now, you know, somebody have competition now, Diddy, you know. So you know what I got, and the next one I can't come back on the bed again anymore. You know,
So you want baby on the bed or you want the lady?
I told you.
Him sharp, bad. But she bring her back for you, you know, with some goodies for you. There's some clothes in there for you and things.
It's from my girlfriend like that. She may not don't want her name to mention.
Yeah, so it's from a love source.
Yeah, she loves work with people like this. She have a passion for people, you know. Yeah.
So
So it's a quick tea.
okay.
So it would be more, but
So it's coming from love, you know? Nothing but love them up for your Prince. So you see, it's another female, so not fair, you know, so pure problem you got up on the one bed there, you know. You better forget bigger. You know, yeah, I want to get bigger. I'm also have 50 US here for you as well too, you know, from coming from a same love. 50 US to your own and to your feet. And USA say me say I got America.
you never know.
You never know.
The dogs them going to Canada. So you never know, don't count anything out. Everything is possible.
Yeah. So you can tell her thanks, you know, so thanks with love, you know.
You can say TT.
TT. Yeah, man, Princess.
TT.
Thank you, TT.
Thank you. Yeah. The Princess, you can tell her thanks as well too.
Thanks, TT, for everything. And I'm grateful for what I have done for my brother.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, you know. As I say, once I keep the faith, you know, and keep God in everything, anything is possible. You know, don't watch the day and watch where I go through. You know, everything is an experience. You know, greatness ahead. Once you believe and have faith, it will definitely happen. Because you've been praying and you see you're getting blessing from unknown source. You know, so that means people being touched by the situation. So you don't have to worry while you can pray. You know? Right, Prince? Nobody not sharp like you now, you know. And you are cutting razor. Yeah, right. So we are continue to work and we are keep you same in touch, yeah? Definitely. TT, she name.
TT, you know me?
If she know your name, she's not there here, you know.
I know your name. Your name is Prince.
Yeah.
My girlfriend, our name starts with T, and that's why I say TT.
TT, yeah.
Right.
But TT, the America.
Yeah.
She not that Jamaica, so she'll watch her from America. You know, so she's got her eyes on you.
That's sweet to be
Yeah, so the ladies them in trouble. Yeah, Prince.
so much woman I go up on the one bed. But then I have no for sleep.
I don't laugh, brother.
You got a place to sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So which part you put me? So which part you make go? On the ground.
Back home.
From the front?
On the bed front.
On the bed front? On the corner. Okay.
By t-shirt, by here.
By TV there. Radio there. Okay. You must have this baby I go right by the radio there on the corner. At least have a space on the bed, right? How much part TT I go?
Front of me.
Front of you.
Did you ever kill you?
Show me dead there.
Show me fire, yes.
Yeah. Alright then, Princess. Go and take care, yeah? Princess?
Yes.
Go and do the right thing, see me. We'll meet again, right? Yeah, man.
Alright, Prince. Yes, thanks.
Righteousness, man. The only tailor this what we know in the original tailor. Years, you know. Now we give thanks, man. So you're back down on the place now, you know. See the foundation machine.
And not only tailoring to the artwork.
So you do the artwork as well too. So these are your design, everything. Yeah. So where do with them here? Where do?
We frame them, you know. If someone want them frame a bike, we sell them same, we sell like on the canvas, because people can go place and get them frame up. But we can't frame them people too. That canvas them there on them. I know them there much thousands of years this last year.
Yeah, true. And you can go in a frame. And that will never ever destroy over the years.
Yeah,
because you know, me I see the resemblance, so I try to remember. You know, weird, but it's when they come and show me the machine now, I'm gonna say, yo, tailor, the only tailor, my uniform and everything, I forget, so forgot school. Yeah.
See the bag, them bag, yeah, we do them bag at you, you know? I'll look back there. Cap on it, the whole cap himself, you know?
Yes, you see there.
Yeah, man, Trenchtown.
See, man, but you know, I don't say, right now, your face to the world, see me, you know. Anybody see and like, and you can explain to them, you can give them your number, see if they want to contact you, you know, if they want to support the movement, because it's a great movement, because this is the frame as well too, with Bob Marley, in the frame, you know, so it's the same canvas in a frame, you know, so that look beautiful for your wall in your living room, you see me and say, so just give them a contact, man, them can contact you, see them if them like, what them say, you know, them can give you a support, because you know a Trenchtown, you know,
yeah, man.
You know, we support each other.
Yeah, man, they want to reach me 1876-343-9424 or 3540-954.
Alright, so
and for Instagram, Anthony_artist JA.
Yeah, so give them the number again slowly. So you know them can
1876-343-9424.
Yeah.
1876-3540-954.
Yeah, great artists, great tailor in the place, you know. I continue the blessings in a Trenchtown. I'm glad to know say you're still back in the place, you know. I enhance it, so you know, so you can inspire other younger generations, same way we can try it, you know, because you never stop and never change your direction, you know. You just advance more.
Sure.
You know, cool.
We have photograph with each other like that.
Yeah.
We have photograph with each other.
Yeah, man, alright, trust this, man. See you, man.
You tell them about the stuff and I give me a photograph. I talk up straight over page, you know. I want to know the place, these people like we.
Definitely.
You have to have visionary to, you know.
Definitely.
Obviously say you're one of them, you know.
Definitely. And we have to continue. So we want to inspire the rest of them to wake up and say, yo, you have the same vision like we, you know.
Same.
Put your heart to it and it will work. Because that's all, you know, the art of unite. Yes, you know, without the art, you know, we don't want nobody go in the wrong direction. Sure. So we want to keep them on the same direction to elevate the community.
Yeah.
You know, that is them.
Yeah, I call him.
Right? Alright then, yeah. Bless up, man. Listen. Yeah, man. Listen.
That's usually you can use. After you go through them.
Yeah. So you got one more of the blood pressure machine as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, and the wait, oh this.
Yeah, this the back a magnifying glass.
Okay. Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
Well, next time, cause you know, You see.
I think this come.
You see.
What I have, I think it's
Yeah, but you see, until you get them with the one like this, cause the big part, me not really see. Me have to use a little small focus, cause it's more stronger than this.
Okay.
Me I damage body now.
Yeah, I know.
Right now I'm looking at you alone, see your face 100%. You can't make out your eye, you know, but the best thing about to me in life, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, so it really get bad from the last time?
Huh?
You get
No man, I see him with Yeah, but here what really happen now, you see the big focus, it's not strong like them.
It's not.
Yeah. This carry a big thing around it too, you know.
Okay.
You understand, but me take it up because I this man reach you. Yeah, so me have to come across any like this, you know. Yeah, no.
No problem, man.
Yeah.
She will definitely look out for you.
Yeah, man, I know that man because she look out for the whole, you know.
Yeah. I will give thanks. So we have a lot of pampers here, pull-ups, you know.
Not pull-ups, the one there, the pampers.
One of my can strap.
The one I can strap. I say the one.
Yeah, so you take the now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and what really happened, we at the Russia, the Golden Age, would like to thank Miss Paulette. This is her second to her third trip here. She bring things to this home here. And we really appreciate her for really look out for this home here. Because I know this home here in Trencham, and we have some youngsters who really cannot take care of the elder. So we appreciate Miss Paulette that all the time she always remember us here.
And we appreciate the work that you're doing.
I like Bonafide to thank her to her. She come here and she say, I want a focus class with church, she bring a glass coffee, so I appreciate that.
Yeah, that's it.
And that's how it going, you know. I hope everything will be okay with the right true life, you know.
Definitely.
Good you.
Definitely. And same goes out for you, because I really appreciate the work that you are doing. Same way, you know.
Yeah, when you see the work with me I do, I not really say the work with me I do, but you see in life, we have to try to do something good. And you see me as a man here, I get caught up in a dirty politics between JLP and PMP and mash up the two countries. Because the two biggest terrorist organizations, nobody can tell me nothing about that, because I know these politicians and them mash up trench now. You understand? So, you see, me caught up with it when I hate it, when I young with and get gunshot on me too high. You see, I mean, the best thing ever happened to me in life. The best thing ever happened to me in life, because I changed my profile right over. And make now me I take care of these old people, you know. So sometimes in life something happen where really have to make you see yourself. So right now I'm conscious of myself, so through that now we start helping other person, you know. I take care of them and very wonderful and nice to see me I do this. You see, feel happy and do it as a blind person, you know. You understand? Because we are just here for a short period of time.
That is true.
Yeah, and we soon gone and leave. You see, so we have to make sure we do the best we can do, you know. And me want to do the best we can do. We want to denounce these dirty politicians, because we know them. Yes. Tell me, I have the history of church, you know, everything, I know it mash up, I know what cause it, I know the dirty politicians. I don't really like them, you know.
I understand, man. We'll give thanks, man. You know,
thank you, alright, that's where it go, man. I like the work we have to Kino, just keep it up.
Yeah, man, definitely, man.
Yes, that's where it go, you know.
Yeah, man.
Miss Paulette.
Yes.
Enough respect.
You see me again, come here. Next time I come here, come spend a day.
Yeah, man, that's where it go, man. That's where it go.
Yeah, me I come in the kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Because I love to cook.
Okay, that's very nice.
Me and liquor.
Other than that,
All of them here drop come.
and then you get some people from Pern to come here to, you know, them love thy neighbor. Yes, and them come here and them spend some time here and them cook the bread and them do, you know. Yeah, and we always appreciate people come want to make a support of this home here, because we build this home here without nothing, you know, because right now we now get support from none out of the two government we never go on yet, you know. Yeah, you see, I just we try our best to deal with it, and me when deal with it, we don't really go on the heart, nobody but none for here. Anybody come here and bring things, we appreciate it, you understand?
Right.
Yes. Yeah, God does say.
I'll bring you comfort.
Yeah. Alright then, take care. Man. Yeah, man, no problem, man. Alright, what it is.
Alright.
Yeah.
know, continue your good work. It's a blessing. It's a blessing, my brother.
First time in Trenchtown?
No, I'm born and grow over by Jonestown. They run up and down Trenchtown to Jonestown.
Okay.
But round here, I mean, it's such a great place. Yeah. And you guys should keep it up. Yeah. Yes, keep it up because trust me, the place just cool and quiet. Yeah.
And that's what we want.
And I guess more people will come on board to help you guys because it's really a nice place.
Yeah, that's what we want to stay, you know?
Yeah.
Cool and quiet.
Yeah.
Nice.
No.
It's a nice meeting you for the first time.
Yes, alright. I'm Paul's really, really good friend, but call his sister.
Oh yeah? That's how it is, we're all family.
Yeah.
We're all family.
Right.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.